Good morning. I am picking up the camera because I just wanted to film, get some more content for my day-to-day life. It is a Tuesday morning. I am heading into work. I do need to make my breakfast, so I am just doing a smoothie today. I'll show you what I put in it. And today's gonna be an interesting day because we have a pretty big storm, a snowstorm coming in. So we were already actually notified last night that we're going to be having a 2-hour early release from school, just so people can get home safely. The storm's really going to move in around 3 o'clock. So I'm getting ready to go in for a shortened day, but today is going to be, I'm sure people are going to be all like hyped up, especially the kids. I'm going to get my breakfast going and then I'm just going to document how today goes. And so let's get to making this smoothie and then we'll keep chatting. I'm also using just a scoop of vanilla protein powder. It's a whey protein my husband uses, and I've just not cared to get a different type, so I'll be using that. So I'm just going to take this with me, and I showed you the little blender, the brand. It comes in these, you use this bottle to blend everything, and then it comes with these lids, which I love. I'm going to put one of those on, and then I like to bring a straw along too, just because something about drinking a smoothie out of a straw just hits much different. I'm going to do that. I'm also just going to bring a cup of hot coffee in, and then I might grab one other snack because since we are leaving early, I plan to I'm going to eat my lunch once I get home because we end up leaving the building around lunchtime. But yeah, I'll bring a couple snacks. If I don't end up eating them all, that's fine. I'd just rather have something in case it gets later than I had intended it to. So I'm going to get this smoothie packed up. Well, not packed up. Get the lid on, pour my coffee, change. I'm always up for a good old protein bar, so just gonna bring one of these and call it good. Just throwing on another casual outfit. This is an Old Navy vest, and this long sweater is also from Old Navy. And then I'm just gonna put on some tall boots and call it a look. Hey, so I don't remember where I left off this morning, but I did just get home. We were released 2 hours early so that we could get home. I was just praying the whole time home. Like, I don't have far to drive, but I just think of the people who have to drive a long ways or have a long commute to home, especially in a winter storm. So we were released with hopefully enough time for most people to get home safely. So we were released, and then I think there's like a half-hour window before things start to pick up. So I got home and it was really windy, and then there's some rain, and now I feel like it's like the calm before the storm. Where I'm at, it's not supposed to be nearly as bad, but we're like right on the edge of it having potential to be really bad. So I made it home. I'm gonna just kind of settle in, hunker down, and I mean, I do work in a school. I'm a teacher, so we follow the school schedule. My heart goes out to people who, don't get to leave before the storm hits and they still have to drive. So my heart goes out to you guys. Anyone who has to deal with weather like this, it's not fun. So I just pray for safety, and I'm gonna settle in. And I'm gonna have lunch actually. I didn't bring any to work. I just had a smoothie and a protein bar, so I'm gonna make some lunch. And I might take a shower even though it's like 1 o'clock. All right, so I had some lunch and now I'm hunkered down just for a little bit. A little update with the weather. It's windy now. The temps are dropping and it's raining. So I think what's more dangerous now is that the roads are going to get really icy. And then on top of it, there is snow coming. So right now it's still just raining. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see if this amounts to anything, but I'm just going to take a few minutes to just kind of decompress. I'm thinking now I can, I'll carry this over until tomorrow if I don't share much. Yeah, and just document a few days of my life. Okay, I just decided I'm gonna take a shower. I just feel like showering and being clean. And I might just curl up downstairs or just work on some like planning. Yeah, some like planning and maybe edit a video. I think that'd be a good use of my time right now. I'm just feeling super like, ugh, like tired, lethargic. So I'm gonna take a shower, put on some clothes to just lounge in, and yeah, try to be productive. So do some planning and edit a video. Good morning, just wanted to check in. I think I shared a little clip of just the snow falling, and it's hard to show a realistic amount of snow we got. We did get a lot though, and I think I shared this, but we were already delayed a couple hours because the snow was expected to stop. And then with this school being delayed, I think the hope is that the roads could be cleared and we could get transportation out and everything. I was just notified that they canceled school today, so it's considered a snow day, and there's predicted to be a lot more snow. There's more snow on the way, so we're supposed to get quite a bit more even tonight, so we'll see how the rest of the week pans out. Anyways, we'll see how the rest of the week goes. And then I had it in the back of my head, so I brought home some work because I intend to do some work, and then I'm gonna get going on it like I would a normal day, and then I'm gonna just treat the rest of today like a day. I'll do my normal workout routine this afternoon. All right, I'm just watching some news. But yeah, I'm gonna get to work / do some work, do some planning, do some lesson planning, and just take this day for what it is, a snow day. Good morning. All right, finally back into a little bit of a routine. We got some more snow last night, but the roads are clear. It's not actively snowing, so transportation should be fine today. I was kind of hanging on the edge, wondering if we'd have like a late start or something, but so far school is in session as normal, so that is good. So I just did my makeup. I'm gonna add some curl to my hair. I'm gonna use my flat iron today. I'm gonna kind of flatten out some of these top pieces and then just do like a loose wave at the bottom. I'll show you how it turns out. I haven't done flat iron curls in a while, but they're very quick for me. Instead of having to sit and hold your hair on an iron, you just pull the flat iron through. But yeah, I'll show you how it turns out, and I want to get out of here at a decent time because the roads are really icky, and I want to just be able to take my time on the road. Alrighty, so my quick waves are done. I'm noticing there's some pieces that don't have a nice, like, distinct wave in them, but that's okay. I just wanted this to be like a quick, loose hair day because, yeah, like I said, I don't want to take too much time. I want to get on the road. So here are how the waves turn out, and I'm gonna go change, make my lunch, or pack my lunch, I should say, and get out of here. So we do some dress up days for the last days before winter break. Oh my gosh, this is the only like winter Christmas. Technically supposed to be an ugly sweater, and I think it's meeting the criteria. I think it's kind of cute too. The back of it says, "Oh, Christmas tree." I just don't have any like green or red sweaters. Yeah, we're gonna call this a look. I just have on this like black turtleneck. I think I would prefer a white one, but I do not have one. So here we go, on to school. Happy Friday, made it to work. Lovely parking lot lighting here. I'm gonna head inside. The roads were not terrible, but check out this snow pile. This week feels so weird. We had a couple days off of school because of the weather, and we have a winter break starting next week. So today's Friday, then it's the weekend, and then we just have a few days next week. So say a quick prayer for me and all my students that we can be engaged and learn and use this time. Or maybe we just need to, I don't know what we need, but here we go.